As the managing director of Knowsley Limited, one of the longest established family-run firms, we were renovating the church. The works involved the removal of the stone floor in order to enable to put a wooden floor in. During the removal of the stone floor, we uncovered the entrance to the crypt, which is in the main aisle leading up to the altar. Obviously the crypt was undiscovered for over 100 years. It's the final burial place and resting place of some of the Earls of Derby. Works like this of a sensitive nature, some thought's got to be given. We have a good relationship with Ansell lighting, so I got them involved. He sent a designer, very professional. He provided sample fittings, which I showed to the vicar, who's quite a switched on guy. We took quite a lot of time in selecting the type of fitting and the position, the heights and the angles. Of the number of fittings, we choose this particular range, which is an up and down lighter. And the idea was to provide a subtle light, which would be in keeping with the architecture and the ambience of the crypt. The particular model was the Reef, which come with good warranty. It's made of polycarb, so it's very durable. It'll be long lasting in such a moist environment. And the effect of the up and down lighter, well received by everybody.